Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a powered external speaker or amplifier because the iPhone's built-in speaker cannot exceed its hardware limit. Once done, pick a connection. Lightning to aux adapter for wired output or Bluetooth for wireless. Make sure AirPlay is off and silent mode is cleared. Open settings and disable any volume limit. Then raise your iPhone volume to maximum so the source signal feeding the external device is as strong as possible before you now finalize the link and optimize the signal. For Bluetooth, open Control Center and select the external speaker as the audio output. For wired, plug and confirm the connection. Next, open Music or Settings EQ and choose a profile with more bass or loudness, which raises perceived loudness. Avoid extreme treble boosts that clip. If using a powered amp, set the iPhone to full and start with the speaker's gain at moderate levels, then increase slowly to prevent distortion. Finish by balancing source and speaker levels so you get maximum clean volume. Keep the iPhone near full and raise the external speaker's master volume until you hear clipping, then back off slightly. Make sure audio enhancement features on the speaker are enabled if available. If it still isn't loud, try a different cable, repair Bluetooth, or play a higher bitrate audio file. These steps isolate whether the issue is cable, connection, or source. That single approach, using a powered external speaker, is the only reliable way to go louder.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.